Hi there, Roberto here with Top One Marketing. And in this video, we're going to show you the how to edit the restaurant management tab in your dashboard. All right, so let's get into it. So right here is the restaurant information that you can change. Go ahead and feel free to change your name, add a description to your restaurant, put in the address and the restaurant's phone number. And so these areas here are shown on your page right here, where it is your name, your description, the address, and the phone number. Next thing you're going to change is the working hours, or the hours that you are open, and the days. You can check and uncheck check the days that you're open, uncheck the days that you're closed. So if you're open from Monday through Friday only, then uncheck Saturday and Sunday, and you can put in the hours that you are open on those days. All right. And then this will reflect right here in your menu page right here in this area right here. It will show the hours. It will show the customers what hours you are open when they land on this page right here. And so this area right here, the owner information, you can change this information in my profile area, and you can feel free to change these in this area right here. You can also change your password, and you can close your account if you would choose to do so. You can also change these images. This is the restaurant cover image, which is this image right here. And this image right here is when someone clicks on the restaurant name, it takes them to this little pop-up right here, and it gives them some more information. This is the image that you would change that would go right here. That's the image. So in this tutorial, we covered the restaurant management tab and what you would do to edit it. And so if you have any questions, reach out to our support desk, our ticket system, and submit a ticket. And feel free to ask any question you feel that is necessary. So thank you. This was Roberto here, and I will talk to you on the next one.